This lesson comes out of Math 10, 7.6, the end of chapter 7, which is properties of systems of linear equations. So the first system I want to have a look at is this one, negative 4x plus y equals 8 and 4x plus y equals 8. They're very, very similar equations. Probably the easiest way to decide what kind of a system you have is to graph these lines. So to do that, I'd rearrange them just a little bit into a y equals. And you'll see that one of them is y equals 4x plus 8, and one of them is y equals negative 4x plus 8. The second you see that they have different slopes, you know immediately that you're going to have one solution. Two lines with different slopes must intersect somewhere, and they can only intersect in one place. If I went so far to find the solution to this one, I'd find that the answer is x equals 0, y equals 8. But for now, I'm just talking about how many solutions are there to this system. Now, the second system is quite similar. Change things a little bit. So I've got negative 4x plus y equals 8 and negative 4x plus y equals 4. Now this time, if I go to graph these two lines, I will find that they're actually parallel lines. That one of them is y equals 4x plus 8, and one of them is 4x plus 4, and they both have a slope of 4, which means they can't intersect each other ever. And given that they have a different y-intercept, they just are two parallel lines, meaning that system has no solution whatsoever. The last possibility with linear systems happens here. I have a similar starting equation, negative 4x plus y equals 8, and my second one is negative 8x plus 2y equals 16. And what you'll find if you solve both those for y, you realize, oh, they're actually the exact same equation. They give you the same line. They both give you something that looks roughly like that. Identical line. So not only is their slope the same, but they even have the same y-intercept, which means they're coincident, or in other words, one line is drawn on top of the other, which means every single point on that line, or either one of those lines, is a solution to that system. So your three possibilities are infinite solutions, no solution, or the most common, which is what we've seen most of the time in doing elimination, graphing solutions, and substitution solutions, is that you will find one single solution to a system of linear equations.